What's up, everybody? Frostbite Gaming Jr. here, and welcome to Software Inc. Now, sorry I haven't been uploading past months. I've been dealing with some personal issues. Also could be a reason why I probably won't be up making. Sorry, having pretty nasty cough too. Yeah, I'm probably won't be uploading as much over the coming months or so. Just until I can get these issues sorted. Probably should, which I probably can't talk about it right now. And I also went on vacation and stuff again. Came back and I've just been working a lot, but yeah, figured since it's gonna drag on for a bit, my personal issues that I, sorry, that I'd just go ahead and upload. So yeah. I would, I did want to play the Jedi Survivor, but the game still has a lot of issues. Like, it's still super buggy, not to mention and laggy. Every time I try to play, I'm getting like a meager 20 FPS. I have a bit of footage of it for the video of me trying to play it, but like it's just not gonna work out until they can up patch it again, which they haven't done for in a while. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. But I don't remember much about the last time we left off. So we're gonna go ahead and just get our bearings here. And go ahead and fast forward here. Alright, Oswald Mark 1. I forgot who I named that after, but whatever. Releases. Mm-hmm. Right. Yeah, 5,000 more copies would do. Okay, yeah, I can't afford that. I keep this up. I forgot, we got company logos now. I forgot to update the game, so now we got like company logos and crap. Hey, let's see here. How do I... Ah, here we go. That is a crap logo. Seriously. Is there any way I can change that, or... Hmm. Yeah, let's do randoms. I guess to see what we get. Is she? Nah, nah, nah. Hmm. Okay, I probably gotta cut out this part of the video or fast forward it while I mess around with this. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright everyone, it took 20 minutes, but I managed to create a logo. It's not the fanciest or anything, but it will do. I can, I don't know, message the editor more, I guess. Let's go ahead. Oof. Get into it. Alright, everything seems to be working pretty good. I just I upped the marketing team, so they should be doing pretty good for themselves. And what was it, accounting? Yeah. Programmers, designers, and artists. Of course, my office over here. Let's see if we can't get the artist doing some more contract work here. There we go. Alright. Put the artist on it. There we are. Alright. And oh wait, I didn't actually choose anything. Okay. And there we go. Get them working, get them doing stuff. Alright. Just gotta keep on buying. Let's look at the finances here. Not doing too bad. Dividends, I wish could be better. Distribution, geesh, spent a lot there. Physical store cut, that's why. Yeah, I'm making some money off of licensing though. Mostly for our own. Yeah. Sales looking nice. Alright. Man. Mm. Mm. Yeah, that's sorry, I am really tired apparently. Usually I have at least another hour in me. May have to stop recording and do more tomorrow morning. Oh man, that's why I forgot to get a damn receptionist. Hmm. Even if I did, where the hell would I end up putting her? Yeah, I'll just put her out in my office here. This way I can start accepting deals. And hi, receptionist. There we go. Alright. God. Why? What's the tiredness? Mm. Yeah, speaking of which, how much is a manufacturing space? 50 grand a month? Seriously? Hey, here we go. Got some deals. Oh, God. Oh, God. Okay. Oh, man. And you're good enough to develop. Alright. Holy fucking stalls down here, Jesus. Wait, can you view the... Can't you view the stalls from the outside? What? They have windows? Why? Why? Who would want that? That's the dumbest thing ever. Also, why is it that like my office has no light whatsoever? Seriously. Right. How we doing on the taxes here? Alright, they're not doing too bad. Right, about 35% it looks like. Oh wow, okay. Yeah, they're making decent from now. I guess this is like how much effort they're actually putting into it. I still got what, 2 months? Oh wait, oh, is it just 1 month? Oh, it's just 1 month. Okay, hold on. Okay. Accounting team, clearly you need more people. Alright. Okay. We're gonna go with that for now and up your team by 4 more people. Let's see here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6 people. Alright. Here we go. Oh, that should give you the staff you need to get the damn taxes done. Wait. Okay. Hold on, are you capable of... You're not capable of handling hiring. Okay. Alright, everyone. Sorry for that cut. I ended up getting like really tired. I decided to go to. Sorry. I decided to go to bed. So this is the next. So this is the next day. The next day now for me. But I did hire a lot more accounts. We have 7 now. Then get into the office to finish the damn taxing. Hey, 8% fulfillment ain't bad. Yeah, sure, crunch. I need this damn tax report done. There we go. There's some good progress. After this, I'll turn taxes off. Oh, let's be making a class. Sorry. My apologies, everyone. God damn seasonal allergies kicking my ass, so hopefully sometime soon I'll stop. Ay. God. Yeah, my apologies. Come on. Right now, come on. Finish the damn tax report. You need to give me some damn V-Cola work tomorrow or something. Alright, look, I know you guys are unhappy, but we really need to get this done. Oh, podcast start. Uh-oh. Crap. Oh, where are you? There you are. Order copies. Let's go with... 10,000, okay. 10,000 more copies. Alrighty. Wow, sales were not that strong last month. I may have to end marketing soon. Slowly but surely we are buying out this company. Tax report is almost done. Alright. And it's finished, okay. Perfect. Now then. What are you doing? Working on what? Accounting? What kind of work is accounting left to do? Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, let's see here. Gee, wait a minute. I have to spend 100 grand on this crap? Or I have to spend it on its current price. I guess that makes sense. Still, like $1,000,000. I don't have that kind. Like I have that kind of money, but that's like 90% of my savings. I'm going to promote you and release. Get some money from there. Got a lot of printing jobs. My precious metals, huh? Ooh, there's a nice jump. Oh God. Look at the hours for the teams. Yeah. Yeah, hours are fine. Alright, alright, let's see how we're doing it in the months here, because we're doing decent after after taxes, after the end of months, you'll forget to the profit. I may end up just go ahead and doing this. Well, we're doing alright. Okay, but this stuff is still... Yeah, I simply don't have the money for this. Went bankrupt, you see. I received stuff for products. Oh. Alright, well, I guess I got the crap. Let's see here, what do we got? What do we got here? We got a 2D editor. It's mediocre. We got email clients. Really? Email clients? You have pretty prominent marking. You're mediocre. I'm already my... Right. I guess that's... let's look like active users here. Okay. Yeah, okay, market you. Go with a budget of 1, 2, 3, 10,000. And order a bunch of coffee. Alright. And then ink maker, this 2D editor. Decent number of active users. Okay, so the budget takeover that month. Look at the thing here. Yeah, here we go, socks. We got quite a few good stuff. Hope these pay some some decent dividends. Wow. Jeez. A $3 million investment in Avia Studios? Wait, let me look at Avia Studios here. Let's see just how big that company is. Avia Studios. Oh. Oh, that was a lot of money. Wow, that was a lot of money. Let me look at the details here for this. They are worth a lot of money in. They are. Wow. 1.4% of the company, man. Okay. Hold on to that, I guess. Monosoft. Let's see now, Microsoft. Oh, they're actually the most highly valued company. How much of an investment? Not much. Not much. Man, they have 9 products, like. Alright, let's hold on to this for a while. I wish I could just type in the number of shit he has a lot of money. Alright, let's wait till dividends at the end of the month to see what we're going to end up keeping and selling. Jesus, is it just me or did the game get really laggy? Oh. Is that? Jesus. There's so much on this tab. There's so much on this tab, it fucking... It slows down the game, Jesus, okay. Fast forward here. Alright, let's see how much money. See if this inbox made is worth anything. Or how much money we can make. How much is it going for? 55, not bad. There's a lot in terms of sales. You need more you also don't need more copies. We also did just start marketing for it again too, so how old is it? About a year old. Man, it is really tempting to sell sell AVS Studios here and use the money to buy up these damn rare minerals. Mostly silver because of how low it's getting. You're doing pretty good, Yeah, alright, there it goes. Sales will pick it up a bit. Sold about 2,000 more copies of you in case people still want that. Wait. I'm sorry, what? They want how much? Okay. Jesus. Millions of dollars. For a couple of shares. Okay. What the hell? Hmm. I have no trouble concentrating. Yeah. Jeez. Oh man. Right. Sorry about that cut. I decided to cough my way to the bathroom. Had to go. Alright. Hopefully that helps you. Hmm. Alright. Appear to be growing strong here. Get more copies of that. Hmm. 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 Alright. Alright. Everyone busy at work. Alright. Alright, everything's going pretty good. Almost done with the months here. And they're going really slow with development. Let's see here. Oh wow, wow, we didn't lose much. How do we do for dividends? Seriously? Seriously, they didn't pay. No one paid that month. My god. Wait, we are paying royalties? Who are we paying royalties to? Wow, at least. Oh my god, I don't know who's licensing InMaker right now, but I love that. Sales? Alright. Alright, I don't know, must be an add-on or something. Okay, most definitely. Let's go ahead and do a procurement on something. I'm gonna do silver because it's cheap. Wait, seriously? Seriously, I need to see level 3 accountants? Alright, let me look at accounting here. Accounting, Oxford's taxes apply for loans. So would they just not make any progress whatsoever? Oh my god, they won't. Okay. Well, that's good to know. I need apparently level C accountants. Read that again. There is no level C accounting upcoming progress. Wow. Wow, that's great. That's really, really great. Basically meaning now I have a whole team here doing absolutely nothing. Let me look here, make sure I don't need to worry about anything else. Yeah, that's really great. Alright. Alright. I'm thinking with this high amount of money we got though, that now I'm gonna go ahead and yeah, it's just easier. Okay. Yeah, no, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put just one of these. And yeah, and do some do some jobs. Oh jeez, we're already almost at the 30-minute mark. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and save that for the next video, which I'm gonna record right after this. So make sure to like and subscribe if you want to enjoy the video. Yo, make sure to follow me over on Twitch if you want to see this stuff live. And funny, I stopped coughing. God, see you later.